Hello students, happy Thursday, September 17th or Friday the 18th if you're watching on the other day. Today you have the following things to do for science class. 1. Watch the video on the states of matter. 2. Fill out the document called Exploration 1 States of Water, Thursday/Friday, and turn it in using the turn in button. 3. At home students, fill in the vocab worksheet and turn it in. Who are at home students? Well, if this is Thursday and you are a B-Day student or Learn student, If this is Thursday and you are a B-Day student, you're doing the vocab sheet. If this is a Friday and you're an A-Day student or Learn student, you're going to go ahead and do the vocab sheet. B-Day students on Thursday, A-Day students on Friday. And Learn students on Friday as well. Alright, that might have made it more complex. I hope not. Let's go ahead and look at the good information in HMH. Alright, a shout out to you guys and your big brains. If you're like, hey, Mr. Lieutenant, you talk way too fast, and I can't understand your mumbo jumbo, and you're like, I wish I could read this for myself. Well, here's question one. Question one, together with a partner, look at the photo for evidence of water besides the oceans. Where else is water present on Earth? Is it always in liquid form? That's like two questions in one. That's why there's two question marks. But you've got the big brain and you're like, Mr. Tenor, where else can I find this information? Guess what? We've put it for you in HMH. Over here, you'll notice after the dinosaur picture, and then down, and after this one for Tuesday and Wednesday, you've got your Thursday, Friday over here on 67. It says, complete this section to review the main concepts of the lesson. It's got one spot that water is found, 2 spots that water is found, 3 spots that water is found, 4 spots that water can be found, and 4 spots, all sorts of spots, and it talks about it. You should read it. And over here is what we're going through today. One moment. Describing the movement of water on Earth's surface. Much of Earth's surface is covered with water. You need to learn about all those different places. Most of this water is salt water, which makes up Earth's oceans. Salt marshes and salty lakes. Only a small amount of Earth's water is fresh water, and most of that is frozen as sea ice at the poles, or as ice and snow on land. So we've got land on the ice, we've got land frozen in as sea ice at the poles. We've also got salty marshes, salty lakes. We've also got Earth's oceans. Those are some of the places water is found. What else have we got here? Can you see all the locations of fresh water on Earth in photos of Earth's surface? Explain. Well, we've got a picture over here of Earth. Can we see all of these locations? Well, we've got some cloud cover here. Clouds have water. And there's icicles there's frozen ice underneath there. And then there's the lake, the oceans. And then there's lakes. But you'll notice, wait a minute, Mr. Turner, I can't see the ice caps. And I can't see the lakes. They're too small. I can see the oceans, though. So what do you think the answer to this question might be? Read this paragraph and take a pause. Sorry about my phone. Take a pause and look over and answer this question. I'll go to our pause screen so we know it is time to pause. Alright, so take a pause on the video and come back when you have got that answer done for question 1. Alright, so as mentioned, you could read more about all of these topics in HMH, but the importance of water on Earth, this next question is really pretty easy. Let's read through though. Water plays an important role in many processes in Earth systems. It shapes the Earth's surface and influences weather. Water is also essential for life. You depend on clean, fresh drinking water to survive. Only a limited amount of Earth's water, about 2.5%, is fresh water. The remaining water on Earth is salt water. Almost 70% of Earth's fresh water is frozen in ice and not readily available for us to use. Therefore, it is important to protect our water resources. By the way, 2 things. 1, shout out to Kretke, the lady with the big brain. She has thought to put these great pictures in here, so gotta shout her out. And 2, if someone ever says, well, one of the big problems in Earth and with people on Earth and everything is that there's not enough fresh water to go around. Well, there is enough fresh water. We just need to, as geniuses, think of a way to get that fresh water in a format that people could actually drink it, or to clean out the salt out of the water so that people can drink it. So there's plenty of water to go around, but it is a big issue figuring out how to get water to everyone, and people every day have to think about it. Maybe you do, but probably not to the level that people in other countries do. Water's role on Earth. Explore the image to explore water's role on Earth. Wait a minute, Mr. Tenner, I can't explore this image. Do it in HMH. We assigned it to you. There's cool stuff over there. Check it out. Same over here. Explore the image. Guess what? In HMH, you can explore that image. Question 2. What you've all been waiting for. The final question in today's work. Question 2. Write at least 4 things you did or used today that would not be possible or would not exist without water. So it's time for a pause. Go ahead and answer question number 2, and then I will get back to everything. Go ahead and pause the video. Alright, so that's the whole of the video. Remember, if you are an at-home student, so if you are a Learn student or a B-Day student on Thursday, go ahead and answer the vocabulary worksheet. If you are a A-Day student on Friday, go ahead and answer the vocabulary worksheet. This is for students at home on certain days. All right, hope that is all clear. Please Google Classroom, comments, message any questions you have, and have a happy Thursday, Friday / weekend. See you next week.